Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete all the data on your iPhone before selling it. If you want to sell your iPhone and now you are facing bunch of apps are installed in your phone and bunch of data of your library and bunch of things that you want to delete it before selling it, so you have to do is the simple steps I will show you. Go to your iPhone settings, and once you comes in your iPhone setting, you have to do is simply click on your iCloud ID and then scroll up, and then you have to do is once you click on this sign out, it's gonna be sign out, and then you have to do is simply go to generals, and then you have to do is scroll all the way up, and then you have to do is click on this second last option over here, transfer or reset iPhone. Once you click on this, you have to do is click on erase all content and settings. So once you click on this, it's gonna become in this section, and you have to do is click on continue and then click on this erase iPhone. So once you click on this, it's gonna be restart or like I will never show you because my data is in it, so I can't show you. So you have to do is simply do the same steps that I have showed you. So you will delete all the files and datas on your iPhone. So it's gonna be like when you reset it all, you will see your iPhone is new and you can simply sell it to anyone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.